This Japanese-style tiny home embodies the essence of traditional spatial flow and hierarchy while adapting it beautifully to a compact modern living concept. At its core lies a thoughtfully placed Genkan, or entry space, located centrally along the length of the structure, serving as both a physical and symbolic threshold. This Genkan defines the transition from the outside world into the serenity of the home. Slightly lower from the interior floor, it provides a space for removing shoes and grounding oneself, preserving the clean lines and sanctity of the indoor environment. To the left of the Genkan, the home opens into a bright and inviting communal space, a multifunctional area designed for dining, relaxation, and gathering. Natural light floods the space through wide corner openings on two adjoining walls, which feature sliding glass panel and clerestory window. These openings allow cross ventilation and create a visual connection to the surrounding environment, blurring the boundary between interior and exterior in a quintessentially Japanese way. Soft tatami or wood flooring paired with minimal furniture and clean lines support a peaceful and uncluttered ambience. On the right side of the home, the private area, typically a bedroom or personal retreat, is slightly elevated on a raised floor platform. This space houses a compact and intelligent arrangement of built-in cabinets, which are neatly integrated both beneath the raised floor, function as hidden drawers, and along the upper walls as hanging storage. This layer storage system keeps the private zone organized without overwhelming the space, allowing for a clean and calm sleeping environment. The entire layout follows a clear spatial hierarchy from public to private, from active to restful, guided by principle of efficiency, natural flow, and respect for the daily rituals of the living. With every square meters used with intention, this tiny home proves that a limited footprint can still deliver spaciousness, depth, and harmony when rooted in timeless Japanese design philosophy.